Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95-04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another video linked below. Step 3. Disconnect your evap can from its power harness and unbolt it from the frame. Gently unclip it from the crossmember and set it aside. Next, with an exhaust hanger fork, remove your exhaust isolator hangers from the crossmember. With a jack, lift and support the gas tank. And with a 13mm socket, remove the bolt retaining the gas tank strap and set the bolt aside. With a 13mm socket and wrench, remove the 4 bolts from each frame rail, freeing the crossmember. Step 4. Insert the new crossmember into place, ensuring the holes line up, and secure it to the frame rails with the included 8 bolts and nuts, with a 14mm socket and wrench. Next, reinstall your gas tank strap. Evap can and exhaust isolators by reusing your factory hardware or replacements. And you're done.